Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming prerequisites: battery levels, app availability, and model compatibility. First, power on both speakers. Make sure the one you'll pair first is in pairing mode. Open your device's Bluetooth or the JBL Connect app because the app simplifies multi-speaker linking, but native Bluetooth works too. Once done, select the primary speaker from your device list and complete pairing. You do this to establish a stable master connection before adding other speakers, ensuring audio sync and reliable control. Now you add extra speakers. If using JBL Connect app, tap the add or plus icon and follow on-screen prompts to discover each unit. This automates role assignment. If manual, put each secondary speaker into pairing mode and press Party Boost or Connect buttons as required, because different models use different methods. Make sure you choose Party, Multi-mode, or Stereo mode depending on placement, and confirm the app shows both devices. This step balances channels and prevents phase issues across speakers. Finish by testing and tuning. Play a known track and adjust volume and balance in the app to confirm stereo separation and timing. If you hear latency, gaps, or one speaker missing audio, reboot both speakers and your phone, then repair. A factory reset or firmware update often clears persistent issues. Also move speakers away from Wi-Fi routers or other electronics to reduce interference. If problems continue, try pairing each speaker individually to isolate a faulty unit, because this narrows down the cause.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.